Well, happy Tuesday, mid-Missouri. We've made it through Monday, which now means we've made it through the dry weather this week. Every other day in the forecast, all the way through early next week, has a chance for rain in it. We are tracking Hurricane Norma's remnants today and maybe even into tomorrow. We've got more rain for Thursday. That's a separate system. And then by the time we get to the weekend, we're tracking a stalled front. That will bring us rain as long as it's nearby, which could be for a couple of days. We're going to talk about that. First, let's talk about post-tropical cyclone Norma. This is gone, but the moisture plume from it is still approaching, and that's going to bring us rain throughout the morning hours. Here's the thing, though. We are tracking the remnants of a hurricane. It's just the remnants. It's going to bring us very, very light rain. Most of us get by with a trace or less, but if you're, let's say, from Columbia to Sedalia up towards Brunswick, Macon, you're going to see a chance for rain with the best chances really in those westernmost communities, Sedalia, Marshall, Brunswick, Macon, with by far the best rain missing us to the west. So, remnants of a hurricane, yes. Hurricane-like, not a chance. We are not even seeing a whole lot of moisture with this. It's really kind of disappointing, but we will see chances for rain throughout the day. This is a point forecast for Columbia. Those chances grow towards the west. We will see a high in the 70s today, a little cooler than yesterday, thanks to that cloud cover and the rain. Future track showing dry conditions this morning. That changes by around 7 o'clock. That rain makes it to Highway 50 closer to maybe 8 o'clock, and then 8 o'clock to 10 showing up near Columbia. Again, at this point, very light showers. A lot of it may even be fighting some dry air. We'll see very light rain to start with. This is really the best rainfall that we'll see likely for folks as we approach the afternoon hours. The best rainfall is going to be west of Highway 63, closer towards, again, Sedalia, Marshall, Brunswick, and then our best time period for rainfall shows up into the overnight hours as, well, we've got a better potential for thunderstorms, more convective precipitation, bigger drops, but even that, again, really confined to our western and northwestern communities. Moberly, maybe the closest this gets to Columbia, potentially up towards Macon and Paris. But again, Columbia and Jefferson City largely missing out on the good rain until we get to Wednesday morning. That axis of better rainfall does move a little bit further inland in here to mid-Missouri, further towards the center, I should say. And this is going to be our low-level jet kind of ramping up overnight, but then it weakens as we head into the day, further into the day on Wednesday. So we'll start with rain, a few rumbles of thunder on Wednesday, and then we're drying out for the second half of your day tomorrow, and our next chance for rain arrives on Thursday. That's this big plume of moisture that you see here out ahead of our next low. That low does bring a cold front through. It will stall somewhere nearby. This particular solution puts it well to our south and east, and if that verifies, not only could we be dealing with rain into the weekend, but cool temperatures with cold air likely to follow. But for now, we're trending warm, well warmer than average. Temperatures in the upper 70s, cooling to maybe somewhat more moderate in the low 70s by Friday, and then we've got potential for 50s and 60s into the weekend. Again, that is going to vary greatly depending on when and where that front is over the weekend.